how to fix notes feature not showing on Instagram app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix notes feature not showing easily and fast. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then click on the airplane mode, enable it, and then go back, click on the apps manager, and then go to the apps right here. And now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll all the way down until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it and click here on this force stop option, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now all what you have to do is go back to the settings, click on the wireless and networks, and then disable the airplane mode, and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it. And now you have to go to the Play Store and update Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.